GREE Electric Appliances Incorporation of Zhuhai was founded in 1991 and now has developed into a technological and diversified global industrial group that has expanded its business to air conditioners, high-end equipment, home appliances, and communication equipment. With 3 brands of GREE, King Home, and Colled. In the 2018 Fortune Global 500 list, GREE ranked number 414 thanks to its remarkable revenue performance and innovation ability. Among the 129 Chinese enterprises, GREE's ROE ranks first. In the same year, GREE entered into the list of Forbes Global 2000 again and ranked number 294, moving up 70 places compared with the previous year. Production capacity of GREE residential air conditioner is over 60 million units, which are sold to more than 160 countries and regions, serving over 400 million users worldwide. GREE global market share was 20.6% in 2018, ranking first in the world for 14 consecutive years since 2005. GREE 1Hz technology won National Science and Technology Progress Award in 2012. Air conditioners equipped with this technology only need 15 watt for constant temperature operation. Compared with traditional air conditioners, each unit can save 440 kWh electricity every year. If 80% of air conditioners sold in the world adopt this technology, about 50 billion kWh electricity will be saved each year, equivalent to half year's power generation of 3 gorgeous hydroelectric power stations. The reduction of CO2 is about 45.11 million tons, equivalent to 15 billion square meters of artificial forest. GREE's research and application of triple-cylinder, 2-stage rotary compressor of variable volume ratio has been identified as world-leading level. Air conditioning products equipped with this technology can achieve 25 Celsius degree indoor temperature, even when outdoor temperature is as low as -35 Celsius degree. In northern China, total standard coal consumption in the heating season is about 184 million tons. If replacing the standard coal with heat pump products that has adopted this technology, 73.6 million tons of standard coal can be reduced, and 44.16 billion yuan can be directly saved. The commercial air conditioners, special air conditioners, freezing and refrigeration equipment independently developed by GREE are widely used in rail transit, airports, chemical industry, nuclear power, and other fields as well as public places and special environments. Providing HVAC services for more than 30,000 super projects worldwide, such as Great Hall of the People, Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, Beijing Skyscraper China Dome, Beijing Daxing International Airport, China's nuclear power plant, 70 subway lines in 26 cities, Phoenix Mart in the United States, Milan Expo, the World Cup Stadium in Russia, Gwadar Port in Pakistan, and high-rise Yakunsito building in Australia. Compared with ordinary centrifugal chiller, GREE permanent magnet synchronous inverter centrifugal chiller can save more than 40% of energy, and efficiency can be improved by 65%, reaching world-leading level. Great Hall of the People has adopted this unit, and the annual electricity consumption has reduced to 660,000 kWh from 970,000 kWh. 32% of power is saved. PV direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller has initiated the zero energy era for central air conditioners and is recognized as globally innovative and world-leading by the authority organization. Now, GREE has built more than 6,000 sets of photovoltaic systems for more than 20 countries and regions around the world. Take the Phoenix Mart in the United States as an example. GREE PV VRF unit can generate 1,050 kWh electricity every year, saving 400 million yuan in electricity cost in 30 years, reducing 8,600 tons of CO2 every year, and achieving 15 million yuan in comprehensive annual emission reduction benefits. The world-leading magnetic suspension inverter centrifugal chiller independently developed by GREE has greatly enhanced the competitiveness of Chinese centrifugal chiller in the international refrigeration market. At present, it has been applied in 18 provinces and cities in China and exported to and served 181 foreign projects. If 15% of existing buildings' air conditioners are replaced by this unit, 1.4 billion kWh electricity can be saved every year. Take the 30,000 square meters office building of Huaibei Municipal Government in Anhui Province as an example. When adopting this unit, the daily electricity charge has reduced from 10,000 yuan to 3,700 yuan, saving about 2,299,500 yuan each year. Guided by consumer demand, GREE has developed and produced many kinds of home appliances closely related to consumers, such as refrigerators, washing machines, rice cookers, air source water heaters, air purifiers, water purifiers, dehumidifiers, and dishwashers. GREE has launched multiple kinds of Toasted IH rice cooker as well as Jinkang rice cooker for good taste as well as caring for the health of people. GREE water purification equipment has been installed in the Great Hall of the People to provide clean drinking water for the National Highest Meeting Room. GREE Jinrou series inverter drum washing machine's energy efficiency reached the new national standard level 1, which has rated as the first batch of products that passed the new national standard and successfully obtained the first acquired certificate washing machine. At the same time, by combining with the advantages of heat pump technology, GREE has developed the heat pump washing machine with drying function, drying clothes with low temperature. Compared with the ordinary drying function, 60% of energy can be saved. Thanks to the instant freezing technology, GREE King Home Refrigerator has won People Ingenuity Product Award for its meat fresh keeping technology in China Quality Peak BBS in 2018. Since 2013, GREE Industrial Robot has been adherent to independent innovation, breaking through core technologies for servo motor, servo driver, and motion controller, and realize industrialization of industrial robot products. It covers 4 range of products, such as 6-axis multi-joint robot, whose load weight range is 1 to 210 kg, 4-shaft palletizing robot, scalar robot, data robot, and so on. Moreover, GREE has built 2 robot production bases, Zhuhai GREE Robot Company Limited and GREE Luoyang Robot Company Limited. The annual production capacity is up to 10,000 units. GREE can provide customers with professional industrial robot automatic system solutions, integrated application, and intelligent product design, production, training, and after-sales service, etc. Since 2015, GREE has studied core technologies for CNC machine tool, such as CNC machine tool spinner, linear motor, and CNC system. The fully direct-driven closed-loop control system and low-vibration lathe stability control technology developed by GREE can make the repeat positioning accuracy be 1/30th of the diameter of the hair, reaching world-leading level. At present, the products cover 3C, precision modes, and auto parts, including vertical CNC machine tool, horizontal CNC machine tool, 5-axis CNC machine tool, flexible manufacturing system, and so on. Precision CNC machine tool manufacturing center has been built with an annual output of 1,200 sets. Products are widely used in mobile phones, computers, auto parts mode, as well as impeller, blade, and other complex surface parts processing and manufacturing. Based on industrial robots, CNC machine tools, and other core equipment, GREE has developed intelligent logistics systems, processing automation line, intelligent testing equipment, industrial automation production line in the field of industrial intelligence integration, serving more than 500 enterprises in 8 fields, such as automobile, home appliances, 3C electronics, smart home, new energy, food and electricity, and provides systematic intelligent manufacturing solutions for all fields. Empty talk is harmful to the country, and hard work is beneficial to the country. GREE will continue to adhere to independent innovation and commit to making contributions for the technology development and better life for human beings with advanced technology and high quality. Made in China, loved by the world.